Hello and welcome to Trade of the Week on Monday, the 24th of April. Now, a couple of weeks ago, we went long the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. And as you can see here on this daily financial bet, this trade is still working out fine. And what I would suggest we do now is to raise our stop loss level from the last reaction low we had last week at 132 to 133.50 now. So 133 yen and 50 sen. That way, if we were to get stopped out, we would end up with a small profit still on this position. Now, last week we made a trade which was quite risky, and basically what we did, because we had negative divergence on the daily relative strength index, the RSI, we went short sugar thinking that it would top out. But since then, we have been stopped out on our stop loss, which was just above the previous high, and did so last week when we had a very sharp ascent to the upside, which was then followed by this sharp descent as well. So I wouldn't normally do this, but since my technical signals are still telling me that there is negative divergence and we are still having this wedge formation, and since we are trading basically around the same level where we were stopped out before, what I would like to do is for this week's trade of the week is to go short sugar at $24.46 with a stop loss at $25.05 and a downside target at $22.50.